Alright, so I'm going to show how to open up an MSI GF75 Thin 95C. Right, so first what you need to do is close it, flip it over to the bottom, and remove the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, once you remove those screws, be careful with the side with the headphone jacks, because this side will get caught there, so you want to like raise it at an angle from this side. Okay, so what you want to do is just get your nails between the little gaps here, or a pry tool, and then just slide it along. Okay, go along this gap. Alright, you can see it's like not like an even line, so you can't just slide it across, you have to go follow these grooves. Okay, so once you get to like the corner here, it actually goes to the other side. Let's see if I can show this. Okay, so just do that. Get your nails or a pry tool and slide it along this side. Okay, just like that. Alright, and then go along the front. Oh, sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand while filming. Alright, so I flip the laptop upside down. Then go along this side. Okay, same thing, slide it along. And then again, the back side has, or this side has the headphone jack, so you want to lift from the other side. Okay, so you lift it up. Okay, just like that. And then kind of wiggle this. You can wiggle it like this. Alright, and then just lift it, and the whole thing comes off. Okay, there you go. So now you can see, you flip it back over. So here you can see the processor's actually soldered down, so you can't replace it. And same thing with the graphics card. Underneath here they'll have like thermal pads and then the thermal paste. So make sure if you take these out that you're going to be able to replace those. Okay, there's not really anything on the bottom if you want to see like some part numbers or something, but not really anything on the bottom. Okay, then you got the SSD. It's a M.2 NVMe SSD. I replaced the original one with a 1 terabyte. Then you got the wireless card. To undo the antennas, you lift from the tail and it'll pop off. Then you can see the speakers here. There's one of the wireless antennas and another wireless antenna. Right, then you got the battery right here. Battery connector. Usually to remove these, you want to grab the two corners and then kind of like wiggle both sides like this, and it'll slowly pull out. You don't make sure not to like yank on the cables too hard because you can damage it. Same thing with all these other connectors. So you can see this is the cable for the speaker. It goes all the way to the other side with the other speaker. And you can see the CMOS or the BIOS battery here. And that's pretty much it. There's not much under there. You can see the fans. You got the LCD cable here, fan connector here. Right, you can see the fans held in with these screws. Okay, and then as for the type of RAM, pretty sure it's DDR4. Let's see what type. So here you go. 8 gigs, PC4, 2666V. Oh, 2666V. Alright. So that's the type of RAM you'll need if you want to upgrade it or replace it. And that's pretty much it. Make sure when you put it back, the cover, again, you have to start with the side, the side with the headphone jacks, because you want to like put it at an angle, otherwise it won't be able to go over these ports. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. This is my customer's computer, just like all the other computers I work on. So I won't have the computer on hand, but I'll try and help you if I can. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please help me out by liking and subscribing. And yeah, that's it. Bye.